Okay, I'm playing Heavy Rain. I'm at the FBI scene of the first body, and this scared the living fucking shit out of me. Just sitting here quietly, and just about to leave the area, and then I went behind the ambulance that was there. So I started doing a little scanning just in case there was something over there. And don't try it. Do not try it because this might happen to you. You might hear something now because my TV's really low. But this is what it's doing. And I got this chair with the speakers on the headrest. So imagine that, like right at your ears. It's scary. Very scary. It's like that. Some scary shit. So yeah. Scary.